Let's be real, pond cleaning is gross and most vacuums barely work. I got tired of guessing, so I bought and tested 5 of the best pond vacuum cleaners with my own money. I dragged them through real pond sludge, muck, and leaves to see which ones actually clean and which ones waste your weekend. Product number 1, Matala Pond Vacuum Pro. When I first lifted the Matala Pond Vacuum Pro out of the box, the weight hit me right away. It feels solid, not plasticky, and the body doesn't flex when you grab it. During testing, this thing pulled heavy sludge without choking, especially in shallow to mid-depth ponds. I liked how steady the suction felt, even when I hit thick muck near the bottom. It's not a lightweight unit, so I wasn't tossing it around, but that weight translates to durability. Setup was straightforward, and once it was running, I didn't have to baby it. I noticed it handled leaves and fine debris equally well, which saved me from switching tools. If you want something built like a tank and don't mind a heavier vacuum, this one makes sense. After using it for a full cleanup, I understood why professionals lean toward it before moving on to the next test. Product number 2, Half-Off Ponds Clean Sweep 1400. Picking up the Clean Sweep 1400, it felt more like a shop tool than a pond toy. The hoses and attachments snapped together tightly and nothing felt flimsy. In real use, the 1400-watt motor had no issue ripping up compacted sludge, but I did notice the intermittent cycle right away. It fills, shuts off, drains, then kicks back on. At first it's weird, but once I got the rhythm, it made sense. I appreciated the long intake hose when reaching awkward pond edges. The debris bag is handy, though it slows draining, so I skipped it for faster jobs. This vacuum worked best for ponds within its depth limits, exactly as recommended. Product number 3, the Pond Guy ClearVac Pond Vacuum. When I rolled out the Pond Guy ClearVac, I immediately noticed how balanced it felt. Not too bulky, not flimsy either. The dual chamber design is what stood out during testing because it keeps working while the other chamber empties. That meant I wasn't standing around waiting, which honestly saved a ton of time. I used all 4 nozzles on different surfaces, and switching between them was quick. It handled string algae, silt, and leaves without clogging. I also liked how the extension tubes let me fine-tune the reach without straining my back. Performance-wise, it felt consistent from start to finish. This is the kind of vacuum you grab when regular maintenance matters and downtime is annoying. If you clean your pond often and want something that keeps moving without babysitting, this one fit naturally into my routine after weeks of repeated testing sessions outdoors in muddy conditions every time. Product number 4, Matala Pond Vacuum II Muck Vac. When I grabbed the Matala Pond Vacuum II Muck Vac, it felt more compact but still solid. The build gave me confidence right away, especially for smaller ponds. During use, the auto fill and drain cycle did exactly what it promised. I wasn't constantly stopping to empty it, which kept the cleanup moving. The 1.5 horsepower motor had plenty of muscle for thick muck, and it didn't feel strained. I tested it on a pond just under 2,000 gallons, and it felt perfectly matched for that size. Noise levels were reasonable and nothing rattled while running. This is a vacuum that knows its lane and sticks to it. If your pond isn't huge and you want reliable power without overkill, this one is easy to live with and easy to recommend. The 2-year warranty also gave me peace of mind during long seasonal cleanouts at home ponds nearby today too. Product number 5, OASE Pondovac Classic Pond Vacuum Cleaner. When I unpacked the OASE Pondovac Classic, it felt surprisingly refined for its size. The hose connections were snug and everything lined up without forcing it. In the pond, the suction depth was the real highlight. I was able to reach deeper areas without repositioning constantly, which saved my knees and patience. It pulled debris steadily rather than aggressively, and that actually helped avoid stirring up too much mess. The motor felt smooth, and it didn't surge or stall during use. I liked the long power cable since I didn't need an extension cord. This vacuum feels designed for homeowners who want consistent results without fuss. If your pond has deeper sections and you want a straightforward cleaner that just works, this one quietly earns its keep over time. especially during spring openings and fall cleanups around shaded backyard water features with fish present safely every single year I own. After testing all 5, each one has a place depending on your pond and patience level. I've left links in the description so you can check current prices and details. If this helped, drop a like and I'll see you on the next cleanup.